Hi there, sixth graders. Mr. Curry here, and we are getting into week 12. And this week is going to be the physical features of Central and South America. And before we get too far into that, just want to make some reminders about checking your grade book, getting in, going through the Start Here folder for any questions, or just making sure you're all completely up to speed. So hopefully you're watching this Monday morning, and not only are you getting a plan in place for this week, but you're looking ahead for for the rest of the semester. So let me flip over to a calendar real quick. So here we are, April 8th. So we have this week, next week, Tax Day coming up, Easter Monday on the 22nd. So we have 4 more weeks here in April, though that 4th week is April into May. And then as we look moving forward into May, then we have really 2 full weeks in May. So we're really looking 6 full weeks left. And then this last week here in May, we'll be getting all of our final stuff figured out and all that good stuff. So anyways, just want to make sure you know where you are, you're all caught up and all of that good stuff. But be sure to follow the suggested schedule here. And as we get into the physical geography of Central and South America, and the 2 folders of physical features, Central and then South America. And then we're going to be actually working through Edgenuity almost exclusively this week. So this will be the first time, I think. We've dabbled in a little bit of Edgenuity, but this time the vocab, the videos, the vocab and videos, and then you will have the quizzes directly through Edgenuity. So since this is the first time we've done it that way, let me know if you have any questions or if something's looking a little strange for you. Okay, so that's about it, getting through week 12. As always, the suggested schedule gets you done Monday through Friday. Everything will not be absolute. Oh, and of course within that you have the 2 quizzes within Edgenuity, but we don't have like that normal pre-test quiz, a weekly quiz thing this week. We just have those 2 within Edgenuity. All right, so Monday through Friday is the suggested schedule. If you need the weekend to finish up, you can. Please, please, please go back and double check and see if you're missing anything. And if you are, please focus on the current week first, get everything turned in on time. Then if you need to go back and fix stuff or make stuff up, you can. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Oh, and for those of you that normally come on campus, we will not be having an on-campus day this week. If you do need extra help, please call, email, text. I can meet with people individually, kind of tight this week, but if need be, we can do that at a library or another school or something like that. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.